Hey, good morning, everybody. Hey, look at that sun coming up over my shoulder. Happy Thursday, May 26, 2022. I'm heading down to Rockport, Texas today. Do a little bit of tile work for my boss. Let's just take a little ride, guys. Enjoy. Peace.
Cause you can, you won't, and you don't stop. Cause you can, you won't, and you don't stop. Oh, when you can, you won't, and you don't stop.
Might be coming out for sure, shine.
I got the brand new dude, you guaranteed like you. I'm on like that's a job, yeah, Mr. Zeus. I'm a newlywed, I'm not a divorcee, and everything I do is fucking like Lee Dorsey. Well, it's a taking off the bell of 1, 2, 3. If you wanna do the round, then come see me.
Okay, guys, I stopped off at this little rest area here. I had to piss. But I'm just on the side of 59, heading south down towards Rockport. I thought I'd stop, and I think I'll put the Air 2S up real quick. It's kind of a cool spot. Just a little rest stop I'm at here, but some cool trees and whatnot. So let's check it out.
Spent a little time out in Malibu. I spent quite a bit down in Nashville too. Cause I like the beach and loves to honky tonk. But the place that I call home is where I never have to feel alone. It's the place where I was raised and I was born. And the grass don't get much greener, and life can't get no sweeter. I got a funny cigarette and a $2 bottle of wine. And there's no need for new beginnings, more money or window trimmings. And if the good Lord's willing, I'ma keep on chilling, refilling and flying high. In an old lawn chair with an ice cold bear, got nowhere to go, no place I'd rather be. Yeah, the grass don't get much greener, and life can't get no sweeter. And if the good Lord's willing, I'ma keep on chilling, refilling and flying high. What
traveled on yachts through the south of France. Think I even got a pair of Versace pants. All that makes me feel is like a fool. Cause a pontoon boat
and a bottle of beer,
a couple good friends,
and some cut off jeans
has made us realize you can't buy cool. And the grass don't get much greener, and life can't get no sweeter. I got a funny cigarette and a $2 bottle of wine. And there's no need for new beginnings, more money or window trimmings. And if the good Lord's willing, I'ma keep on chilling, refilling and flying high. Lord's willing, I'ma keep on chilling, refilling and flying high.
Woo! Well, we made it. Just beautiful. So there's gonna be some drone flying in my future, but I'm gonna get inside and check out the property, check out the job site. Look at this shower that I'm gonna be tiling here over the next day and a half, 2 days. We'll check back in with you guys later. Thanks for riding along. Peace. So I need to take all this tile through here up the stairs to the bathroom. So here we go. Well, guys, it's 5 o'clock somewhere. What time is it? Oh shit, it's 5 o'clock here. That's quitting time. I'm tired. I got those 2 walls done, and now I'm just looking out over the beautiful scenery here, and it's pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie. So y'all know what time it is. Appreciate y'all checking in. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. I'm working hard for it. That's the end of the day, guys. Y'all enjoy the scenery. Peace.
There comes a time to be free of the heart. I wanna be ready to start on a love journey. I got places to go. Made up my mind and I got to let you know. Heaven help the heart that lets me inside. Heaven help the one who comes in my life. Decided right now I'm ready for love. Ready for love. Funny feelings coming over me. Now I'm inspired and open to being in a love place, but it's out of my hands. I'm telling you, baby, I just got to understand that lets me inside. Heaven help the one who comes in my life. The fool that walks through my door, 'cause I decided right now I'm ready for love.
I reckon round 2, Friday morning. I'm gonna finish this last wall. A little bit of finishing up to do. Some cuts around the top of what I already laid, and rock and roll. Not much explanation needed.
kids, household pet. Army green was no safe bet. The bullets.
Woo-wee! It's hot as shit in Texas. I'm out. Got the job done. Getting on the road. Y'all enjoy the ride home. Appreciate you guys coming on the journey with me. Y'all have a good rest of the day. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Yeah.